If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Sitecore Send, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Log in. Access your Sitecore Send account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage transfers. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, locate the Transfers section in the main menu. This area will display all your pending, completed, and cancelled transfers. Step 3. Identify the pending transfer. In the Transfers section, look for the list of pending transfers. Review the details to find the specific transfer you wish to cancel. Step 4. Select the transfer. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Sitecore to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the cancel option within the transfer details. Click on it and confirm your decision when prompted. Ensure you receive a confirmation message indicating that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer on Sitecore Send. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Sitecore support for help.